Hey folks! Today, I've got mind-blowing news straight from the realm of science fiction. Imagine a world where extinct species are brought back to life. Yeah, I'm talking about the giant wolf, the creature that inspired the direwolves in Game of Thrones. So, here's the scoop. Scientists at Colossal Biosciences have been working tirelessly for over a decade, and their efforts have finally paid off. Using ancient DNA from fossils, they've managed to genetically modify gray wolves to bring back some of the key traits of these giant wolves. The result? 3 adorable pups named Romulus, Remus, and Khaleesi. Now these pups aren't exact replicas of their ancient ancestors, but they're definitely something special. They're larger than your average gray wolf, with thick, pale fur that stands out. They're essentially hybrids, combining the genetics of the past with the present. This incredible achievement didn't happen overnight. Scientists analyzed ancient DNA to pinpoint the mutations that made giant wolves unique. Then, they edited the genes of gray wolves, incorporating these ancient traits into the embryos. The embryos were implanted into surrogate canine mothers and voila! 3 pups were born. But as with any groundbreaking scientific endeavor, there are ethical and ecological considerations. Critics argue that instead of focusing on reviving extinct species, efforts should be directed towards conserving the ones currently facing extinction. And they have a point. The world these giant wolves once roamed is vastly different from today's environment. However, the technology used to create these wolves could be a game-changer for conservation efforts. Imagine using similar techniques to save critically endangered species like the red wolf. The possibilities are endless. It's also important to consider the behavior and ecological roles of these revived animals. Since these wolves are raised in captivity, they might not exhibit the same behaviors as their wild ancestors. This raises questions about their true nature and how they might fit into modern ecosystems. Despite these challenges, the birth of Romulus, Remus, and Khaleesi marks a significant advancement in the field of de-extinction. It opens up new doors for genetic engineering and conservation, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. So what do you think? Are we on the brink of a new era in wildlife conservation, or are we treading on dangerous ground? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more mind-blowing science content. Until next time, stay curious.